Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Porsche Macan EV at home. We'll cover the essential steps to set up your personal charging station. First, understand the various charging levels and assess your home's electrical system. This ensures you choose the right setup for your vehicle and lifestyle, providing convenience and efficiency right from your garage. Let's explore the two main home charging levels. Level 1 uses a standard 120-volt household outlet, providing a slow trickle charge perfect for overnight top-ups. For faster charging, Level 2 utilizes a 240-volt outlet, similar to a dryer connection. This dramatically reduces charging time, making it the preferred option for most Macan EV owners seeking daily convenience. Installing a Level 2 charger typically requires a dedicated 240-volt circuit. You'll need to select a suitable charging unit, such as a Porsche wall connector or a compatible mobile charger. Always consult a certified electrician for installation. They will ensure your electrical system can safely support the charger and that all local codes are met, guaranteeing a secure and efficient setup. To maximize your home charging experience, consider these best practices. Charging overnight often allows you to benefit from lower off-peak electricity rates. Aim to keep your battery charge between 20% and 80% for optimal longevity. Finally, use the Porsche Connect app to conveniently monitor your charging status and schedule from anywhere.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.